Hey guys, this is our writing with phonics, page 31 and 32. All right, so let's look at writing the letter C. A big smile, a little smile, smile and a little smile, big smile, little smile, big smile, little smile, big smile, little smile. All right, so right here we're going to write the blend ka, smile, a ball, and a pull down, and then cat, and then ka, uh, uh. Now we can write can, C, A, N, a pull down with a hump. C, a ball with a pull down and a pull down with a hump. Next we have cut, smile, a smile with a pull down with a push across. Cut, C-U-T, C-U-T. So let's flip over on the back. Match the letters. T to T, E to E, C to C, and S to S. Good, let's write it. Smile, smile, smile. Around, down, and back up. Around, down, and up. T is a pull down with a push across. Pull down with a push across. Pull down with a push across. Letter E is a push across, up and around. Push across, up and around. This is set. Smile, push across, up and around, pull down, push across. Set. All right, guys, good job.